Hello students, let's discuss question number 1192 from the book 1234. Question is stating that one side of radius of curvature R1, which is 120 centimeter, of a convex lens of material of refractive index 3/2 and focal length f 20 centimeter is silvered. So it's been told to us that we have a convex lens. One side of that has a radius 120 centimeter and it is silvered. The focal length of this lens is also given to you. It is 20 centimeter. When we silver a lens, it will behave like a mirror. And to find out the effective focal length of that mirror, we can add powers of lenses and mirror. The back surface of lens, it can be treated as a mirror and lens. So this system consists of a lens of focal length 20 centimeter, and as the radius of curvature of surface which was silvered was given as 120, so its focal length should be half of radius and 60 centimeter. So we have the focal length of lens and mirror. Now the effective focal length of the system minus 1 by f equivalent, because it will be a mirror, it should be negative. So I am putting a minus sign here to make the power positive. So power of system should be equal to 2 times the power of lens plus power of mirror. Now power of lens can be written as 1 upon focal length of the lens, which is given as 20 centimeter, and power of mirror is minus 1 by focal length of mirror, and this concave mirror with sign convention, focal length of this mirror should be 60 centimeter with minus sign. So after solving this, we can find out the effective focal length of the resultant concave mirror. This expression will be solved. It will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 60. You can multiply 6 in numerator and denominator. So denominator will become 60. Now LCM will be 60 and numerator will be 6 plus 1 will be 7. Hence the focal length equivalent is coming out to be minus 60 by 7 centimeter. So this length has a resultant focal length. F equivalent is minus 60 by 7 centimeter. Minus sign is focal length is implying that this is effectively a concave mirror. Now this lens is used with another lens. We have a lens. It is given in question that this different lens has a focal length 20 centimeter and it is fixed coaxially at 10 centimeter above the first lens. First lens, which is effectively a concave mirror. So I am putting a concave mirror, which is a lens with silvered surface. This system has a focal length of minus 60 by 7 centimeter. The other lens is a focal length 20 centimeter, and they are separated by some distance, and the distance given is 10 centimeter. Distance between them is 10 centimeter. So these two systems have a distance 10 centimeter and they are coaxially. Now it has been asked to us, find a luminous point object O is on the axis, gives rise to image coincident with it. So a luminous point object is placed in front of this system and its image is on itself. Its image is on itself. So this lens, which is a focal length 20 centimeter, may form image on the center of curvature of this resultant lens, resultant concave mirror. This will be a mirror. So if this first lens forms image on the concave on the center of curvature, let me draw this with another color. Suppose light ray from this object is refracted by lens and goes to the center of curvature of the mirror. Then this light ray will be reflected back because it is coming from center of curvature, and it will again meet at object point. So in order to get the final image at object itself, we need this lens to form image at the center of curvature of this mirror. This is the first case, and in another case it may form image at the pole of the mirror. Let us first discuss the first case. If the lens is creating image at the center of curvature of first lens, then center of curvature, because focal length of this mirror is minus 60 by 7, or radius of curvature would be double of this, will be plus 120 by 7. It is much larger than the 10 centimeter distance. So it is not possible for the first lens to create image at center of curvature of mirror. So first method is not possible. Hence we will go with the second method, second case in which the image of this object is formed at the pole of the mirror. For that, image should be at 10 centimeter distance, which is again impossible, because for a real object this lens cannot form an image on the pole of the mirror, because this focal length of lens is 20 centimeter, so definitely it will create an image after 20 centimeter. So we need to again go back to first method. So for object image on C, one case may be that the lens is closed, C is beyond the lens and lens is closed, and virtual image of object is on the C. It may be this case that object is placed somewhere here which is less than the 20 centimeter distance, because now virtual image of object is formed at C of the mirror. Okay, C of the mirror, this distance is 10 centimeter. Center of curvature of mirror will be at 120 by 7 centimeter distance. So center of curvature from lens will be at 120 by 7 minus 10. So it will be 50 by 7 mirror, 50 by 7 centimeter. So object should be placed at such a point whose image is at 50 by 7 centimeter from mirror. So by lens formula you can find out the distance. Just apply lens formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 upon v. V needs to be minus 50 by 7 minus u needs to be find out. So after solving this equation you can get your u. So let me solve this for you. This is 1 by u equal to this expression will be minus 7 by 50 and 1 by 20 will be minus when it's taken on the right side. And now LCM will be 100, 50 and 100, this will give you minus 14 and this will give you minus 7, sorry minus 5. So minus 14 minus 5, it will be minus 90 by 100, or u is equal to minus 100 by 90. So final answer should be minus 100 by 19 centimeter. Thank you.